Welcome everyone! Making a move is a big chapter, and at Amston, we've mapped out every step to guide you from your old home to your new one. We are your comprehensive moving partners, fully licensed and insured. We do not hire day movers, all of our staff is in-house. Step 1. Free assessment. The journey begins at your current address. To ensure a customized experience, we'll start with the free assessment. We'll perform a detailed walkthrough of your home in person to understand the unique scope of your move. No commitment required. Step 2. Creating a proposal. Once we have our assessment, we move from the initial talks to specific planning by creating the proposal. Here, we translate your needs into a transparent, tailored plan. This isn't just a basic quote, it's a comprehensive document detailing logistics, services, and clear pricing, giving you a peace of mind from the very start. Step 3. Floor planning. With the plan in place, we start thinking forward. Our floor planning services helps you visualize your new beginning. Don't wait until move day to figure out where the sofa goes. By reviewing the layout of your new space, we optimize the moving process and help you pre-plan furniture placement for an immediate at-home feel. Step 4. Downsizing and sorting. Now comes the practical preparation. The path of least resistance always includes less clutter. Our experts assist you in the crucial process of downsizing and sorting. Moving is the perfect time to make decisions, and we'll help you organize your belongings, separate items for donation or sale, and ensure you have the items you truly want to make the trip. This streamlines the move and reduces costs. Step 5. Prepare the house for sale. If your journey involves selling your current property, it is critical you have the best real estate agent. Amston works with agents all over the state who can make the selling process a breeze. We don't just move boxes, we prepare your house for sale. Step 6. Packing and loading. Moving day is here. It's time for the heavy lifting. For the ultimate stress-free experience, you can count on our professional, full-service packing using industry-standard techniques to protect your most fragile items. Then, our expert movers meticulously load the truck, maximizing safety and ensuring a stable journey. Step 7. Safe, secure transport. The most vital part of the physical journey. Your belongings are in good hands. We operate a modern, clean fleet of moving trucks, and our drivers are seasoned professionals, trained for long distance and local transit. Throughout the entire process, your property is fully protected. Step 8. Unpacking and settling in. Welcome home. But the work isn't done until you are comfortable. We complete your journey with our premium unpacking services. Don't face that mountain of boxes alone. We will place every piece of furniture according to your initial plan, and our packers can even help unpack all of your belongings so you can enjoy your first meal or a good night's sleep immediately. We've followed the line through every challenge, and we arrive at the perfect destination, your new home. At Amston, our goal is to turn a daunting process into a smooth transition. Let's start your journey today. Contact us for your free assessment. Thank you for watching. To contact Amston, you can call us at 860-385-8728 or by visiting our website at www.guidingthemove.com.